Farmers countrywide are not considered by law firms despite losing produce attributed to climate change or civil unrest. In this regard, Makerere University School of Public Health, Resilient Africa Network, and Netherlands-based HiiL Justice Accelerator has initiated an agenda to install resilience in farmers through innovations focusing on reviving farmers' standards of living. The move aims at having clear simplification of the laws to the beneficiaries.
Especially when it comes to the courts of law, because you require evidence normally to be able to win a case. And we believe that with the evidence that people in the public are gathering, people will be helped greatly.
When we partners who teach our farmers good agricultural practices, value addition, good quality standards, entrepreneurship, and all those agricultural things.
Among the pertinent issues affecting farmers is the absence of justice in cases where one procures counterfeit herbicides and other farm inputs. Pleader developmental lawyering is an innovation by Mugisha Moses from Makerere University that was initiated to extend legal aid to peasant farmers across Uganda and give them information on justice.
As you know, in most areas, businesses are actually farming, and the agriculture through the value chain. We help them with business law issues. We train them in making contracts. We advise them on contracts. We try as much as possible to work with organizations that work with them to be able to bring in the legal aspects of business.
However, paralegals tend to be cited in money extortions. How will this be addressed?
Paralegals are actually one of the models that we are looking at using. We are going to give you an example. There are teachers in the village who know how to read and write. A contract is not formatted in a certain way that it's supposed to be like this. No. A contract needs basic knowledge. So if you empower this person to help people write contracts, you're actually empowering the village. So that's a better thing of using paralegals. Another thing is that villages, people are going to understand the law. For instance, the Money Lenders Act doesn't allow you to lend more than 24% per annum. People don't know that. So if people knew about it, it would be different.
Helen Mukasa is another innovator of Lawyers for Farmers, where agribusiness insurance reinstates farmers in case of catastrophic events. Middlemen are yet other parties hindering farmers' activities, but Lawyers for Farmers assert that they will deal with them to enable farmers gain from their yields.
Why lawyers is because legal information gives someone power. It empowers you when it comes to protecting yourself as you transact. You know how to look out for your interest, and that already puts you in a better position when it comes to controlling risk for your business. But it also comes with added advantages like formalization. Yeah? It means that you can now access formal services because you are registered farm business.
Hague Institute for Innovation of Law, based in Netherlands, is a non-profit institution which strives to engage a friendly justice to people through new technologies.
I just want to reiterate that you being a winner is fantastic, and it's going to be very good for us to have all the notes from the jury so we can in the Hague decide who goes to the Hague. But yeah, this is a great achievement, so congratulations.
Resilient Africa Network is an initiative from Makerere University School of Public Health that has enabled students and less privileged communities to be reinstated to normal funding from United States Agency for International Development.